The impossible scam AI stole $25 million. Let I tell you that major cyber scam of $25 million. What if you told your best friend, I just wired $25 million to scammers because I thought they were my bosses? Would they believe you? Probably not. It sounds insane, right? But that's exactly what happened. In the country, an employee joined a video call with his CFO and all his colleagues. Subscribe my channel. They looked real. They sounded real. They gave him urgent instruction. And hours later, the company's money was gone. Transferred straight to the criminals that never been existed. This wasn't just any company. It was Alpha, a global engineering giant. The employee believed he was following direct orders from senior executives. On that video call, he saw familiar faces, heard familiar voices. Colleagues he had worked with for years, even the CFO appeared on screen. The request? Urgent international transfers. But here's the terrifying twist. None of them were real. Every face, every voice, every expression was a deepfake. AI-generated imposters, crafted with chilling precision. Criminals cloned executives using just scraps of video and audio online. To the victim, it looked flawless. To the bank system, it looked routine. And within hours, $25 million was gone. When the truth came out, the shock was global. How could criminals run a fake board meeting and nobody notice? This wasn't a phishing email. This wasn't a spoofed phone call. This was the next frontier of crime. AI-powered deception. It worked perfectly. And here's the terrifying part. Could it happen to you? Imagine your phone rings in the middle of the night. On the line, your daughter's voice, crying, begging for help. Or a video call where your father's face appears, desperate, telling you to send money immediately. But none of it is real. The voice isn't your child. The face isn't your father. It's artificial intelligence, wearing the skin of the people you love. And in that moment of panic, your trust becomes their weapon. Here's the truth. In this new world, trust is the real currency. And scammers know it. They don't need your password. They don't need your bank card. If they can steal your belief, they've already won. So the next time you get a call, a video, or a message that feels urgent, stop, breathe, and ask yourself, who's really on the other side of the screen? Stay alert. Stay safe. Subscribe my channel for more cyber stories.